Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to upload PDF in Mailchimp. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So the very first step that we need to do is simply sign in to our Mailchimp account. Once we're signed in, what we're going to do next is go to our campaign section. Go to all campaigns. After that, we will be routed in this section afterwards. Now you can see here a list of all the campaigns that you have created. Go to the campaign that you would want to edit. Click on it, and basically you will be routed here in this section. Now under the content section, click on Edit Design. When you're in this section, you will be basically routed to your campaign builder page. So here you can actually edit all the necessary information and details that you need to. So say for example, we would like to have a PDF being added onto when we click on this button right here. So what we're going to do is click on the pencil icon, and after which we are going to click on Link To. So under that drop down right there, edit the button text first. So for the button text, we're going to edit it out. Instead of start shopping, we can simply type in download now. Alright, next is here under the link to. Instead of web address, we're going to add file. Now, when we click on file, we will basically be routed in this page. What we're going to do is to click on the upload section and choose the PDF that you would want to add onto that when you are going to download or click on the button. So there, say for example, we're gonna have this PDF, and now you just need for it to be uploaded. As you can see, we have our file URL by then. Now click on continue and save everything. And basically that's how you upload a PDF in Mailchimp. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.